So I'm doing one more Animal Crossing character makeup. This one was actually requested by Modern Mind, so thank you for requesting this look. This is Rosie the cat, an Animal Crossing character. New Horizons, the brand new Animal Crossing game, comes out tomorrow. I am so excited. I wanted to get one more look out there. I improvised this look a little bit, so when I started it, it was quite simple. It was going okay, I knew what I was doing, and then I kind of started adding more and more colours, and I was like, what's my goal, what's my aim in life? But I feel like it's come together a little bit better now that I've finished the look. But yeah, Modern Mind, I hope you like this look, and I hope everyone else does, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, let's start with the hair. So I want to try and create some cat ears, she says. Let's backcomb the shit out of my hair. Twist it. Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's do the eye makeup. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you will know that I like the colour yellow a lot. I'm going to grab this yellow and I'm going to put it on my face. Some yellow airbrush colour. Fuck it, let's use yellow. So let's put some more yellow on my eyes. Guess what we're going to use to blend? I'm going to use these lashes because they're really long and feathery. So I think they'll create quite a nice, cute, innocent cat. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to add a little bit of blue. I think this might be a mistake, but see what happens. Yeah, I think this was a mistake. Okay, I think to fix this, we're going to add a bit more purple because we're losing her prime colour. She's just rainbow at the moment. Let's put some more yellow, no, not yellow, purple. That's this voice of certainty. I'm not certain about anything. Not certain about how to say certainty. So what? Okay, I feel like if I just paint a cat nose, it might help me out a bit. Good old clown white. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Cool. Okay, let's do some freckles. I don't know why, I just couldn't stop. I guess it makes me look a little bit cuter, or I don't know if it looks like she's got blue chicken pox. Let's just keep going. I want to colour my hair. Okay, I've just got some purple eyeshadow. I think the one last thing, just to colour my lips a little bit purplier,